Here's the candy you ordered.
Oh, my M&Ms! Oh my god. Damn it, I put the wrong way. I just got stuff out. Stifford nutrition. I think this is in like gibberish or Spanish or something. I can only eat 3 grams of sugar a day, and I can't eat this if I can't read it, okay?
I think
Why are you laughing at me?
I think I know what the problem.
Are you trying to take my M&Ms or something?
No, I think I know what the problem is.
And what is that?
You had her upside down.
What are you talking about? No, I don't. Oh, maybe it is because the little guy's upside down. It's like an M&M, but it's like a man at the same time.
Yeah, turn it around.
Sugar, sugar, sugar. Calories, 220. Ooh, that's a lot. Total fat, 9 grams. Whoa. Total carbs, 32 grams. Oh, sugar's 28.
You're gonna eat the damn thing because I got that from a store and I had to pay a lot of money for that.
Then you better go get me diet M&Ms or something.
There aren't no diet M&Ms.
Then go make some, because I can only have 3 grams of sugar, okay?
Why don't you go make some?
Why don't you? You're the one that works at CVS or Walgreens, whatever it's called.
It's called Walmart.
Same thing.
Actually, no, it's not.
Okay, listen. I'm the one that got a D in biology last year, so you should not be talking.
What does this have to do with biology? You're a blonde. A true blonde.
Brown. Idiot.
Well, for all I know, you could have dyed your hair.
For all I know, you could be colorblind.
Then why is your jacket black, and this is white, and that's blue, and your hair is brown?
Actually, this is cream.
Same thing.
Okay, you know what? Go see if you're colorblind by the doctor.